Hello everyone. Today, let's make a silicone squishy together. Firstly, pour some A into a plastic cup. A friendly reminder, different ratios of A to B will affect the softness. Then add about 1.2 times the weight of B. I'm using a 1 to 1.2 ratio this time. But feel free to experiment with other ratios. Next, add some color paste and mix it well. Keep stirring continuously until the color is fully dispersed, to prevent any color from settling at the bottom. Then apply Vaseline to the surface of the mold, to make it easy to demold the squishy once it's cured, making sure to cover every corner evenly. Finally, slowly pour the mixture into the mold, then wait about 4 hours to demold. So that's all. Thanks for watching.